Welcome back to Dad Deals for the top things you should be buying at Tractor Supply in May 2026. This is a great time to visit your local Tractor Supply. They had some great new items. They're also having yard and garden days right now, so there's a lot of great savings there. And of course, it is chick season, so you can pick up your chicks, that's chickens, and even ducks now. If you've ever wanted to have some backyard chickens, now is the time to get those. But there's a lot of great things to cover in this video, so sit back, relax, and I'll let you know everything going on at Tractor Supply this month. And just one quick thing, please give the video a like. If you find it helpful, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. So first up, we have this limited edition Blackstone griddle. This is the 2-burner version, the 28-inch size griddle. But this one actually has patriotic colors, perfect for Memorial Day. You're also getting 2 spatulas, as well as the cover. This also has the Omnivore blackout griddle plate that's going to give you built-in wind guards and also is pre-seasoned for you, ready to cook right out of the box. Now, this is priced at $400, but it is a pretty cool special edition. I love the included accessories with this. So if you're looking for a new griddle, definitely check this one out. Next up are garden carts. There are a ton of available ones over at Tractor Supply. They have the name brand Gorilla carts, which are super nice, but also pretty expensive. And then they have their house brand Groundworks. That could be a great budget option. So let's take a look at some of these ones they have available. Here's from the Groundworks brand. This is their 12 cubic foot, 1,400 pound capacity towable utility cart. Has the nice removable sides. And this is actually on sale for $180 right now. That's $50 off the normal price. Next up here is the Gorilla Carts 12 cubic foot poly dump cart at $320. Now here's the Groundworks brand of their poly cart. Definitely smaller, but you can really see the price difference here. This one's $150 for the 800 pound capacity dump cart. And then they have this 8 cubic foot version of the Groundworks dump cart at $270. So these definitely aren't cheap. The Gorilla carts are super nice if you want that premium quality and you want to make that investment. I think that's a good choice. But if you do want to save a few bucks, the Groundworks brand can get the job done too. All right, next up, it's a great time to start thinking about your game plan on dealing with mosquitoes this year. And I'm going to try out this method that I saw on the Silver Symbol YouTube channel. Definitely check out his video. I'll link it in the description below, where he basically took 5-gallon buckets and used this mosquito bits insecticide to make sort of honey pots that will attract the mosquitoes, get them to lay eggs, and then this stuff will kill them. So this is pretty similar to the mosquito dunks that you see people put out in ponds and things like that. But if you're just doing the 5-gallon bucket method, this stuff is a lot more economical, as you just need to use a spoonful about every 4 weeks. And this bag is actually on sale right now at Tractor Supply for just $15. That's $2 off. And this stuff will last you for years. But the other great thing about using this is it's an organic formula. It is non-toxic and it is super easy to use. You basically just sprinkle it. If you're going to use the bucket, just sprinkle it in the bucket, throw some leaves and stuff like that to make it more attractive to the mosquitoes, and then just set it in a corner of your yard. And that's pretty much it. But you can also sprinkle this stuff anywhere there's standing water on your property. And again, the awesome thing about this is it's harmless to humans, pets, bees, fish, and any other wildlife. So it's just a great thing to use. I love these quick connect hose connector sets. I pretty much use a lot of them that are found at Harbor Freight, but here's the Groundworks version at Tractor Supply. And this one actually has a non-splash design to them. This set is $11. And what this is designed to do is when you're connecting and disconnecting these are supposed to not splash water at you when you're doing those connections. So I'm not sure how well these work. Let me know if you have experience with these and if they're any better than the other ones out there. But this is $11 for the set. Also, we talked about mosquitoes, but if you have a fly or yellow jacket problem, these Taro products are great in my experience. They sell these yellow jacket and fly traps that you can pick up that are super easy to hang up and use. These are about $10. The Rescue brand also has some pretty interesting products. They have this fly bucket top. This actually could turn a 5-gallon bucket, sort of like what you saw with the mosquito trap. But this is actually pretty much just a bucket lid that you're going to put some bait in, and it will attract flies. So if you have a big fly problem, this can probably be a good thing to use. And then they also have sort of their bag fly traps that they've had for a long time. You can pick any of this stuff up for just $10. Pretty much every year I have a problem with flies around my outdoor trash cans. So this year I'm going to try this fly pad from the Rescue brand. Now this has no smell to it, which is nice. And it has this sort of corrugated design that's supposed to put the glue in the groove so you can use it and stick it up without getting your hand all sticky. But I'm going to attach these on the top of my outdoor trash cans, see if they work. But these are also a great option for indoor use because they don't have that smell. So inside a garage or shop or even inside your house, you can attach these. It's supposed to attract the flies with this sort of camouflage pattern it has going on. Could also be great around kids because it doesn't have that stickiness on the tops of the ridges. But this is just $5.50. Also, speaking of kids, they have some great kids gardening and yard tools. They had shovels and rakes and all sorts of stuff. So it's a great time if you have a garden going on and you have some grandkids or kids, definitely expose them to that stuff as it can just be a great learning and bonding experience. Tractor Supply also sort of has this sort of bargain bin, stocking stuffer kind of area. And they had some really interesting stuff going on. First up was this 28-piece bit set that actually comes with a stubby handle as well. So it's kind of like a stubby screwdriver set in the shape of dentures. So I'm not really sure why you'd want that. Maybe you're a dentist or something like that, or just a funny gift, maybe to get your dad this Father's Day. But check this out. This is just $10. They also had this Tractor Supply mini bucket that comes with a 41-piece drill bit set at $10 as well, a great Father's Day gift. And even this Army-style magazine driver bit set, a 20-piece set here. This thing's pretty cool looking. And this is $15. I don't know about you, but my dad definitely had one of these in his shop growing up. This is a saw blade clock. I haven't seen one of these in a really long time, but this is just $6. And again, just thinking about Father's Day coming up, they had a nice sale on all of their Yeti cups and accessories. These were all 15% off, including the lids and everything like that. That's going to run all the way through Memorial Day. These always make an excellent gift. Another new item at my Tractor Supply was this Lifetime Glacier Series cooler in a patriotic theme, red, white, and blue. But this thing was pretty awesome. It looked extremely well made, and I didn't think the price was too bad at $180. This is a great alternative to a Yeti cooler, and I really like the way this strapped down. They even had a smaller version at $120. Tractor Supply is also a great place to pick up any barbecue tools and supplies that you need. If you have a smoker that takes the pellets, they also have their own branded pellets now. So they also do sell the Pit Boss Competition Blend 40-pound bags. They're about $15, and that was even on sale at $2 off. They're normally $17, or you can pick the Tractor Supply branded version. Pretty much probably the same thing. They're calling it the Slow Smoked Blend. A 40-pound bag here is $13 every day. They also have a bunch of different varieties, hickory, apple flavored, whatever you need. So a nice way to save on some barbecue pellets there. They also sell this Bacon Up. This is essentially pure 100% bacon grease. So it's shelf stable. You don't have to refrigerate it. And it's a great way to get your griddle cooks on a Blackstone started and give it that nice, good bacon taste to it. It's also great for seasoning your Blackstone. But that's it. Those were the deals this month over at Tractor Supply. Let me know what you'll be after. Definitely good luck to you if you plan on diving into the backyard chickens or ducks. I haven't made that leap yet, so let me know if you think it's worth it or not. But also let me know if I missed out on any deals. Again, like the video if you find it helpful, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.